Because vu.ai is trained on all of our software products, it acts as the perfect support assistant bot for asking questions about any of our Virtual Studio products. Or if I have a question that is beyond the scope of what AI can answer, of course it'll always direct me to the exact place I need to go, even going as far as taking me exactly to the Freshdesk link where I can submit a new ticket if I need to. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos on Virtual Studio and SceneForge, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base and our technical support, visit our support site at vu.network/support. To contact support directly, email support@vustudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.